Replacing the screen on the NZ7000 or NZ8000 wood-burning fireplace may be required if it becomes damaged. Warning: removing the screen will result in the counterweight to be out of balance, causing the screen to immediately rise. It is recommended to have another person assist in holding the screen door while the frame is being removed. To replace the screen, insert the handle and lift the screen slightly to remove the 2 screws on the bottom inside of the screen frame. Be sure to have one person hold the screen door while the other removes the screws for stability. Remove the screen frame from the appliance. Remove the top 10 and bottom screws and the 6 side screws on the side of the frame. Remove the screen and replace. Replace the screws and replace the screen frame into the appliance using the 2 screws. Test the screen door to ensure it is balanced. If the door is unbalanced, refer to the balance weight adjustment video for further instructions.